Open it.
I'm gonna move this right here. Move it right there. Now open this. Gotta turn around.
I'll come on the other side.
Open your present. Okay, put them in there. Okay. Now open up your present.
Here, open this side.
Don't know where to begin?
Right there. Here, pull right here. Look, Christian, right here. Pull it. Oh, man.
Wow.
Next move, please. What is it? Oh, that's that guitar. Push stop. Wow, Christian.
Moving faster. I think he loves it.
Turn it up. It's upside down.
Uh-oh. Christian, look. Look, Christian. Look. It has a slide.
They can go down the slide. Thomas the Trains. Put that track back on right there. Put it in the hole. You gotta put it in the hole, baby. No, you had it the right way. Put it back like this. Look. Look, watch mommy. Christian, look. Look. Down here. See, push it in the hole like that.
Look, Christian. Whoa.
Daddy's gonna have to take the wires off, baby. What are you shaking your head?
Playing with this, I guess he don't know what it looked like until maybe rebuild it.
Yeah, he's not gonna appreciate that until you have it up. So just let him play with this one while you're getting that one all squared away.